Good morning, Sudarshan Reddy Gudu. Flowering factor of the plants and trees in observation. Of course, we know that different different trees flowers in different seasons. But the genetical factor of that particular tree affects the flowering of that tree, uh, and the seasons also affect the flowering factor. The summer, winter, and rain seasons also affect flowering of the plants. This diagrams is a very complicated like a Padma Vihum, but it is a very simple diagram. It is a calendar of flowering factor resembling all the months, all the seasons, and the sun effect on the in different months and the seasons, rain season, summer, rain season, winter, etc. We know that this time of the day will be differ from one day to another day. That means in some months, some days, the time of the day will be very larger. In some days, the time of the day will be very short. We know that in June, the time of the days will be very longer. So these are in July, almost all July days are called longer days. They are called longer celestial days. 21, 22, 23 is the longest celestial day of the earth. That means the sun will be more time, the day will be more than other days of the year. June 21st, 22 is the will be longest day of the year on the earth. Like that, the time of the day gradually decreases from July to June to December 21 and 22, 23. We know that in December 26, in December, all the days will be very shorter. The shorter days because sun, the time of the sun will be, or the time of the day will be minimum throughout the year, minimum in respect to all the months. Then onwards, on January onwards, the time of the day gradually increases and comes to the peak on June 21st and 22. So we have to name all these months with the effect of the solar fact of the on that month. June is 6 up. July is 5 down, means the day after the time decreases gradually. August 4 down, September 3 down, October 2 down, November 1 down, December 0, January 1 up, February 2 up, March 3 up, April 4 up, May 5 up, June 6 up. This is the different trees, flowers in different seasons. We know that the different trees, flowers in different seasons. This resembling decreasing celestial day gradually from 21st to 22 June to 21, 22, 23 of the December. Then onwards, the time of the day or the celestial day or the sun increases gradually up to the June 21st and 22. These are seasons. Summer starts from almost February to June. Then rainy season starts from June to September, sometime mid month of the September October. Then winter season starts from the October or from the mid month of the October to December or sometime February mid month. Winter season starts from September to January, sometime up to mid month of the February. We know lock and key. A particular lock will be opened by a particular key. That means when the lock and key coincides, then only lock will be open. If we have hundreds, thousands of keys in our hand, if they can't coincide with the lock, they can't open the key. Like that, flowering factor is affected by the solar factor and the genetical factor of the particular tree. When they are coincidences, then flowering takes place. For example, solar factor of the particular season, month or season is X, then the flowering factor of the genetical factor of that particular flower is minus X. Then when plus X minus X becomes 0, then flowering takes place in that plant. For example, if a particular tree flowers in July month, then the solar factor of the sun will be 4 down. Then the genetical factor of that flower must be 4 up. Then only 4 up, 4 down minus 4 up becomes 0. Then flowering takes in that plant. We know that tamarind flowers in the June. We know that mangoes flowers and bears fruits on December. Our elders would say, if rains falls on the Ardra Karti, or if we supply water to the plant on the Ardra plant, then only tamarind plant gets flowers. Flowers will fertilize and nut forming starts from that day. If we know that tamarind flowers in March, in June, in May, April, in May, in June, but flowering successful flowering fertilization takes place only on the Ardra Karti, that is longest solstice day of the sun, that is 21, 22, 23, 23 June. Of course, some lower varieties get flowers get fertilization 5 days or 5 days before or after. This is called the sensitive period of that particular tamarind tree. Tamarind tree's sensitive period is Ardra Karti, or longest solstice day of the sun, that is 21, 22, 23. Like that, all the flowers, all the trees will have particular sensitive period. Only in that period, the flowers get fertilization and nut forming stage from that places. In in December 21, 22, 23 is the shortest day of the earth, shortest day of the sun on the earth. That means, that is, of course, on that day only mangoes flowers get perfect fertilization and gets nut forming starts from that day. But due to some weather conditions, the flowering factor prolongs to January, even to February sometimes. But when flowering fertilization of flowers takes place in June, in December, then fruits will be very very best and big in quality and more in quantity. As flowering factor prolongs to January and February, the quality of the fruits decreases. Flower drops, even when nuts also drops. We can get very very weak quality of the fruits. Jai Hind.